Okay, that's it. I can't stand the heat. Oh, William Wilson, I'm gonna slap you. Really? This chair's nasty. That's gross. I really don't want to be up here doing this. Also, after this, I'm done for the day.
Oh, good.
I know. How long can you stay up here?
Well, like 3.
Oh, what time is it now?
35.
What do you have?
French.
Lunch?
French.
Oh. Sorry, I'm just like dead right now. I have to run back and forth and do this stupid ass
I
shit.
don't think I'll be able to come to the finals tomorrow.
Why not?
How do I hold English essay tomorrow?
Fuck that. It's the finals. Come on, ISM!
I'm getting so dirty.
I'm gonna have to go take another shower after this. I just went and took a shower. I took 2 showers today already. I'm gonna have to go and take another shower. It's amazing how humid it is today.
I know, it's so bad.
No, I want ISM to win. Who do you want to win? I want to say hi to Hannah. Yeah. ISM's goalie is amazing though. Nice. Still yellow ball. I want to do that chair.
Yeah.
Tonight we should, yeah?
It's kind of lame though.
If they win, I'm gonna do it. I don't care how lame it is. You know what Mikey said? He was like, oh, Jerry, were you videoing? I was like, yeah, why? He's Mikey.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was like, why? He was like, because I can hear, you were screaming so loud, man. I was like, I know, sorry. And then he's like, it's okay, you're cheering for me, it's fine. I was like, yeah. Mikey, I know, the exact same thing. Stupid SAS goalie. Stupid 18 on SAS. Frickin' cute guy, co-captain. Yeah, they're just like standing there. Run up! Retards.
Run!
So how was your day? Did you go to all your classes?
I had quiz, and then I had an AA, I had a whole class of AA, and then I had like a whole class of French.
Hey, is Posse okay?
I don't know. He
He's
got,
right
like,
there.
knocked out, right?
Yeah. Is he okay?
And he couldn't
You want to ask him?
He couldn't remember he got into the final.
Yeah. Should we ask him if he's okay? Yeah. Seriously, do it. You do it. I don't know him.
I've never talked to him before in my life.
What happened? Ask him. Neither do I. I want to ask him though. He played so well. I'm so proud of him. Shit, he got knocked out hard then, man.
Posse! Nope.
Yeah, he saw
Are you
it.
okay? Okay, that's good.
Are you gonna play in the finals? Whoops. I got ignored. Whoa. You know who's a really good goalie? Andy. So how long are you staying
Here?
after school?
I'm not staying after school. I have to go straight home, but my car doesn't come till like 3:15. So I'll leave at like 3.
Why do you have to go straight home?
So I have to do this essay so I can like hopefully maybe come.
For the finals?
Yeah, because I also have ballet.
Go James. Aw, come on, James.
Chris! Chris! Oi!
Shit.
You got it?
Yeah. Nice kill scored. Was that one of your guys?
Yeah.
Really?
That scored?
Yeah.
I wasn't watching the music. Yeah.
Come on, Isam. Don't lose size, KL.
Okay, Al.
No!
Woo! What's my name?
Have you talked to your guys a lot?
What?
Have you talked to your guys a lot?
Not really. Yesterday they went out for like a
Team dinner?
and then they just came home and went to bed.
I don't blame them. I went to bed at like 8. I was so tired. No, 9 actually. Sucks though because that's right after I went to bed. My girls got on Skype and they talked to the really hot guys and I was just like, shit. So I'm hoping they do that tonight as well. Come on, James. Panthers, KL.
KL. Wait, who's Panthers?
KL.
Hi, Chris. I'll do videoing. Because it's a very good view. Everything that's happening.
Ask him if he knows how to get up here.
It's so cool. I can actually like see everything, but I missed the goal.
Stupid ass. You were looking at Chris, that's why.
I'm gonna try to. I have ballet that ends at 6, and then I have to finish the English essay. I know, but I have an exam coming up for ballet, and I have an English essay, which you didn't do, but you didn't. I do. My mom does. Well, I do, but just not as much as she does. Attica! Yeah. Wait, where are you going? Okay. Are you ball boying or whatever?